Hey there everyone, Thaish here from LearnCodeOnline.in, and welcome back again to another fresh new section of JavaScript. This is a brand new section, and in this section we are going to use whatever the knowledge we have learned so far. So now we have a little bit solid understanding of how JavaScript works, and also we now understand how we can target any element, or how we can fetch that element and can create them or delete them and stuff like that. So we're going to be using that. So now we're going to create a full-fledged to-do application where user can enter an input. We're going to display that as a list item in our web page. And also user will be able to check mark that something like this to-do is done. And also will be able to delete all of the done or done to-dos. Now we will not be deleting all of them. I'll leave that as a simple exercise for you. But most of the part I will be doing it, most of the heavy lifting, and you can do some of your assignments as well. So let's get started, and we need to do some of the changings in our code system because this is right now serving onto our JS exercise file as a base home folder, and we don't want to do that. We want to create a separate folder for our projects. So let me open up my JS exercise files, and of course all these files will be available to you once we finish up this course. I'll push them to GitHub, or will give you the links to download them. Anyways, for now, these are not available, but surely by the time you'll be watching this video and the course would be completed and you will have access of it. So we're going to call this as project 01. So this is something which I want to have as a root folder. So what I can do is I can select my code, VS Code, and create a new window, open a new window. Okay. And once I have this open new window, that's a nice purple color, and I can just drag and drop this project here, and that's it. That's all the settings we need to do. Okay, let's have it so that the bottom one doesn't really bother us. There we go. So there we go. We have our project 01 section. It has nothing inside it. So we're going to create a couple of files here. So first of all is going to be index.html. We will not be bothered much about the index.html because it's just a HTML file, and this course is moreover dedicated toward JavaScript. Also, we need a couple of more files, and that is going to be style.css for styling purposes. We will not be focusing much of the styles. In fact, I would not be talking anything at all about styling. Just will point out a couple of things that you have to implement that are compulsory. Apart from that, feel free to explore your own styling stuff, or maybe from my front-end developer bootcamp. Okay, and obviously we need one more main file, which is going to be our todo.js, or some people like to call it as script.js. So however you like it, feel free to explore it that way. Now go into your index.html, and we're going to press exclamatory and hit the tab. Since Emmet is already installed or comes as a default in my code, I can just quickly get a boilerplate code. And we're going to call this as title as simple to do application. There we go. Okay, that should be it. And what I would like to do is add my styling files. So after just the title, maybe before that, we are going to link :css, and there we go, style.css. So in case you're wondering how this is getting all things work out, this is Emmet. I do have a free course on Emmet on Learn Code Online. Make sure you check that out to write all these HTML exactly faster as I do. Also in my style.css, I'm going to say, first of all, I'm going to select the body, and I'm going to say BGC for background color to be red. And this is just for the testing purpose. Don't worry, we will not be using such kind of very vibrant color. In the todo.js, I would like to simply write a script that says alert, and that is going to say connected, so that I can be sure that everything is connected. What I'm expecting is body should be turned into red, and we should get a pop-up that says connected, but we haven't connected our script as well. So we are going to be connecting it at the body, and we're going to have a script. There we go. And this script is going to have a source that is going to be todo.js. So everything is already connected. You can just get lost here, and we can just get started here. These pop-ups sometimes annoys me, and still I'm creating one. Anyways, let's just roll it up here and on the index. Now I can start my live server, and actually, you know what? I can just close this down, and I can just turn it off. Okay, we don't need it. And probably my live server is from where I can start my live server. Okay, I think I need to go back here and can figure it out that how can I start my live server. And there we go. And we can start the live server. Let me just look at the documentation page. Everybody looks and it says it's here, but not in my case. Okay, probably let's just say. And what we're gonna do is open workspace, probably because of that it's not having it. And there we go, still opened up, but nothing shows up here. I think we can look into documentation a little bit, but that's not a big deal. I can figure it out a little bit later. There was some documentation written here, and okay, so it is here. We can start that following the server. Okay, come on, there is some open live server. We can right click on the editor and choose the options. That is actually nice. Right click and open with live server. That is nice. So see, reading the documentation always pays off. So there we go, our script is being loaded and color turns red. That is really a vibrant color. So there we go, everything is connected. I can just close this extension and there we go. Now in the next video, what we'll be doing, we'll be writing our HTML script so that we can have a base structure for that. For the styling, I'll be writing some of the styling part. I will be showing you that, but we'll not be discussing much of it as this is not a course for CSS. Okay, so that's it for this video, and let's catch up in the next one.